In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails directly from ClickUp. This feature can greatly enhance your productivity and keep all your work communications in one place, streamlining your workflow. Let's get started right at the ClickUp homepage. You'll want to begin by navigating to ClickUp's website. Once you're there, you'll notice the login option. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login page. If you're already familiar with this, it might seem routine, but stay with me. It's important for seamless integration. Next, you'll want to click on the option to sign in with Google. This is a straightforward method if you've previously connected your Google account to ClickUp. By doing so, you authorize ClickUp to access some of your Google account details, which makes the entire process smoother and more integrated. Once you've signed in, you'll need to select your Google account from the list that appears. If you have multiple Google accounts, be sure to choose the one you use for work-related tasks on ClickUp. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, your lists are organized for easy access. Please select the list that pertains to the task you'd like to link with your email. This step is crucial because it connects your email with specific tasks, ensuring that all correspondence is easily retrievable and well organized. Now, within this list, identify and select the task you want to work with. Click on it and this will open a detailed view of the task. At this point, you might feel a bit overwhelmed if your tasks are numerous, but don't worry. ClickUp's search and filter options are quite handy if you need them. With the task window open, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a message box icon there. Click on it and this will open the communication panel associated with your task. It's important to note that using this method keeps all relevant dialogue attached to the task. From the options that appear, find and click on the email button. This will prompt a new email window within ClickUp where you can draft your message. Be sure to type your email content here. Remember to keep it concise yet comprehensive, as effective communication is key. Finally, after you've composed your email and double-checked all details, click the send button. Your email will now be dispatched and it will be linked to the task for easy reference. By following these steps, you ensure that your task management and email communications remain in perfect harmony, all within the convenience of ClickUp. I hope you find this process helpful and that it enhances your productivity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your workflow with ClickUp.